Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to show you my top purchases in the past year and also a new designer grail pickup. This special video is sponsored by my friends over at Farfetch, one of my favorite places to shop for designer items. They challenged me to show you guys my top purchases in the past year. So I got some of my favorite items that I picked up and also a new designer item grail in this box right here. All right, top investment purchases from Farfetch. Let's go. First one here, I gotta go with my Gucci slides. This one's I actually picked up from my first shop haul video with Farfetch, and they're still going strong. I've been wearing these a lot, especially during quarantine. These Gucci slides for me have held up really well. I've been wearing them mostly around the house, around the apartment, especially when I wear it to go to the lounge or go downstairs and grab some stuff. I've also brought them with me on trips. So when I've gone to Miami, when I've gone on cruises, I know I'll be doing some pool and relaxing. It's nice to bring my own pair of slides. And of course, Gucci pair is a really nice designer bold piece for a simple outfit, especially when you're just relaxing. So yeah, I gotta say, I've been wearing them a lot and the condition is still really good. So far, that's a great investment that's lasted me a long time. I love the bold Gucci stripes on the slides here. It makes a simple outfit a lot nicer, just a simple, bold investment piece on the bottom there. Makes a simple outfit like wearing sweats around the house look a lot cleaner, a lot sharper. Next up, I have the Omni track jacket. So this one I just picked up recently and I love the clean cream color on this track jacket. It's just really nice and sharp. You really can't go wrong with a jacket like this. So I've been wearing this a lot on the weekend, just lounging around. And then if I wanted to dress a little bit sharper, working from home, this is such a comfortable casual piece that I can just throw on over a t-shirt. Cream color like this is really great from spring to the fall season. A nice neutral color that can go with everything. It's just a really sharp and easy to wear piece. I mean, it's a simple track jacket. I think otherwise looks very casual, but the way the color, the way it's cut, and the simple logo design just looks a lot sharper. Next up, I have the Nike Sacai waffle racers. This one I picked up in a few shop haul videos ago, and this is probably one of my most worn sneaker the past few months. As I predicted, this has been such a great investment piece. It's such an easy pair of sneaker to wear. It's all white and also is really comfortable because it's like a waffle racer, more like a running trainer shoes. And of course, because it is a Sacai collab, I love the fashion and the hype street style aspect to it. So really cross off a lot of things off my list. Easy to wear, comfortable, and also got a lot of street cred with the Sacai collab here. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you probably see me wear this probably the most out of any sneaker, any shoes, boots the past few months. And with any sneaker, especially white sneakers, I actually just been wearing them a lot. I don't even care. They're kind of dirty on the bottom, but that's like the beauty of white sneakers. The more you wear them, the more beat up they look, the better it looks. And this pair of sneaker has proven that it looks better and better the more you wear them. And now with some dirt and some scuff marks there and there, you can really see like the texture come out a little bit more. You can definitely see the difference between here and the white leather, and also like the gray suede is definitely popping out more. So this is one of those sneakers that, you know, it's a great investment piece. It's so easy to wear, and it actually looks better and better over time the more you wear them. Next up is my All Saints Suede Biker Jacket. So this one I just got in my last shop haul video with Farfetch, and like I said, this is such a great color and great piece for the fall. I've been wearing this a lot, especially going on weekend trips, fall foliage around the city. I mean, the suede color and the material, especially this kind of structure, this kind of build, is perfect layering piece during this time of the year when it's not too hot and it's not too cold. I just wear this with a t-shirt and I'm good to go. I wear this with a sneaker, with boots. It just works with a lot of things and it just instantly looks really sharp. All right, so that was my quick top purchases from Farfetch this past year. Now I'm so excited to show you guys my new designer grail item in this box. All right, let's open this up and here it is. Oh wow, that's so cool. It comes in a garment bag. Look at this, I'm pulling this out right now with the Burberry on the bag. Move this out of the way. First of all, it comes in this really nice Burberry garment bag. I love a good garment bag because obviously you can reuse this over and over again. So let's open this up here. It actually snaps in the middle, so that's really cool. This opens up like this big here. You got a nice zipper, says Burberry on it. Ooh, wow. Here it is, the Burberry Plaid Reversible Puffer Jacket. Wow, this thing is so nice in person. This looks amazing, this jacket. If you guys didn't know, I'm based in New York City, and going into the winter months, it gets really cold. So for us New Yorkers here, we need a good puffer jacket. And what an amazing designer statement piece in this puffer jacket here. So obviously the main feature is the classic Burberry plaid. I always love the classic plaid. I think it's very timeless, very classy, and I just love that they use the plaid on a puffer casual jacket like this. On the side, on the left sleeve here, you have this logo here. It says Burberry, London, England. So nice and classy, a modern take on the logo here. And then going down to the front, you have the black buttons, and all of these also says Burberry on it. And it's got a nice like black shiny finish. So this Burberry puffer jacket here, I got in a size medium. It is actually a little bit bigger than I thought, which is okay, I think, for the winter time, especially when you're layering with a hoodie, with a sweater. You know, chances are you're not just wearing a t-shirt, but this gives you a little bit more room to layer, put a scarf under, all those things. So on the one side, you have the classic Burberry plaid pattern going all over the jacket, all the way to the back as well. Now I'm just gonna unzip this, show you guys the other side. Flip this over. Okay, cool, when you flip it on the other side, it's basically all black, a plain black puffer jacket. And then again, on the left sleeve here, you have the logo Burberry, London, England. So same design on the other side as well. But overall, it's a pretty plain black puffer jacket, as you can see. Nothing crazy, but the main difference is when you flip it to the other side, the lining of the plaid peeks out. So I think that's really nice and classy. On the flip side, on the black side as well, I think that's really well done. Just enough like detail around the neck and also peeping out around the zipper. And you guys know me on this channel, I love a good reversible 2-in-1 jacket. You're basically getting 2 pieces for the price of 1. And especially I love reversible pieces for traveling. That means that you can just pack 1 item and you have 2 outfits, multiple outfits for your trip. Especially for a puffer jacket like this for traveling, I mean, this is great. If you guys are used to traveling in the winter months, it's really hard to pack multiple coats and multiple jackets. If you guys have traveled during the winter time, you guys know carrying all those sweaters and coats and jackets, it's really bulky and it's really heavy for your luggage. A reversible puffer jacket like this is perfect because now you have 2 winter warm coats for the size of 1, and it just makes life so much easier. And you know me also, like my personality, I love a good bold statement piece, and I can also rock it on a plain black side for different days. So this is one of those just like perfect designer grail items for the winter season. All right, so there you have it, guys, my new luxury designer pickup from Farfetch, and also my top purchases from Farfetch the past year. Let me know in the comments which one of these items is your favorite, and also be sure to use my code for 10% off at checkout on farfetch.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.